one night show. The number one night show in Orlando for 10 years at 102 Jams. 3 years of number one success at the night show at Power 96 Miami. 11 stellar number one morning show years at West Palm Beach's X1023. 2 men, 2 brothers, 2 identical twin brothers. The Babalu Bad Boys.
So what's your favorite radio station?
X1023.
We in Orlando right now, chilling the Babalu Bad Boys on the scene, Halloween Horror Nights, HHNXX. We're live at CC's Pizza, the X1023, the Babalu Bad Boys on location right now. What's your favorite radio station?
Palm Beach's official number one for hip hop and R&B, the X1023's twin brother Latin lovers taking an instant request right now. What's your name?
Lisa.
All right, what's your instant request?
One Night Stand by Carrie Hilson.
Are you a Babalu Bad Girl?
Yes.
Absolutely. All right, what's that radio station, Bad Girl?
The new X1023.
Babalu
That little Chico Pit Babalu Bad Boys shutting it down.
B.I.G. Shine, man, the Babalu
Bad Boys.
Sky Ultra 2012. Next stop, we're going to be all over Miami. West Palm Beach is taking over Miami.
X1023 always blazing at least 18 jams in a row. And who we got in the studio right now? The boss,
The biggest boss
Rick Ross.
in the biz, Triple C, we in the building.
Jeremiah, there's some people out there that think you're just all studio, man. You can't, maybe you can do something in this studio. Well, let them know this ain't something that's, concocted. There ain't no machinery behind you.
Yeah.
Jeremiah, Mr. All the Way Live, Mr. September 28th.
Yeah.
It's all about you. Let them know what it's all about, man. Would you give me a little something on the mic right here?
a little bit.
Little something in here right now.
Giving y'all a special delivery.
What?
28 special delivery.
What?
All about y'all and a special delivery. Okay, we got it.
Come on.
What the barbers say? Man, y'all believe that? Now I'm feeling low. Tell me where to be at.
That's Jeremiah in the studio. You're hearing it right here first and only exclusively on the X1023. You want more? 800-969-1023.
Imagine you're charging your cell phone.
So?
Cop comes up, says, I'm going to have to arrest you for that, sir.
And that is what a cop told this homeless guy while he was doing just that.
You would think that taking energy from the city at a public park would be the story. But when I see this story, I don't see that. What do you see, Ray? Can somebody explain to me how a homeless man got a cell phone?
The Babalu Bad Boys.
Play a little game called Are You Smarter Than a Babalu? 102 seconds with Robin Dick here in the house. And are you smarter than a Babalu? So I'm going to ask you both the question. We're going to find out who answers first. It's pretty obvious Richie Rich. Yeah, whatever, man. Whatever. Now, in all fairness, Richie Rich has not seen these questions, so he does not know what's coming. Okay? Here we go. First question is, what does COD stand for?
COD.
Cash on
Credit.
delivery.
Cash on delivery.
Credit on diapers? It's not credit on diapers?
No, it's not. It's not Call of Duty.
It's not Call of Duty?
No, it's not none of that.
Man, that's weak.
All right, question number 2.
That's cheap.
If you eat pasta,
You're cheating already.
Cheating on the man.
if you eat pasta and antipasta, are you still hungry?
If you eat pasta, then you eat antipasta. Are you still hungry? Yes. No?
Rich loses that one by default.
Oh, man, what kind of question
He
is
loses because he answered both. He answered both.
Exactly. Yes, disqualified.
No, yeah.
Disqualified.
Next question.
What kind of question is that?
What does FedEx stand for?
Federal Express.
Okay, that's one. So it's a tie score. Here we go with a tiebreaker. Here we go.
Yeah, baby.
Now, all eyes are on Florida with the upcoming elections going on. It's getting a little crazy here. So, speaking of elections, what song or what president would Robert Dick want to do a duet with?
Mitt Romney?
Nah.
I'm gonna pick Al Green. Let's stay together.
That's right.
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama.